plus 1 are both factors of the equation. Look at the equation. Fx is equal to s cubed plus ps squared plus qs plus c is equal to 0. They say evaluate p and q. We are looking at p and q, but we are given that s minus 1 is a factor. So if s minus 1 is a factor, look at it, s minus 1 is a factor. So we now have s minus 1 equal to 0. What will now be s? S will be equal to what? 1. So you are going to find f1. Hello? And since f1 is a factor, what happens? Everything will be equal to 0. So let's go. What is our s? Place of s, what do you put? 1. 1 cube plus p1 square plus q into 1 plus 6. Since it's a factor, what are you going to get? 0. Is that clear? Good. Better still, let's put the 0 here. So you know it's f1 is 0. Are you seeing it? Equal to 1 square is 1 plus 1 square here is p what? 1. 1 times p plus q times 1 q plus 6. Isn't it? 1 plus 5 6. We now have 0 is equal to p plus
7.
q plus what?
7.
7. Isn't it?
Yes.
Good. So p plus q will be equal to, take 7 this way, become minus 7 equal to 1. Also we have s plus 1, also a factor. So s plus 1 will be equal to what? 0. S will be equal to minus 1. So we now find f minus 1. So anywhere you see s, what do you put? Minus 1. Minus 1 cube plus p into minus 1 square plus q into minus 1 plus 6. 6 is a factor. F minus 1 will equal to what? 0. So what do I have? Minus 1 cube is minus 1 times minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 times minus 1 minus 1. Then plus minus 1 square is minus 1 times minus 1 1. I mean 1 times p plus times minus q times 1 q plus 6. Are you following? So you now have, what do you now have? Minus 6 plus 5. Minus 6 plus 6.
5.
Minus 1 plus, let me say,
5.
5. Isn't it? Take 5 this way, become
minus 5.
minus 5. Abi? Now you now have p minus q, isn't it? So p minus q is equal to minus 5. This equation 2. So bring equation 1 and 2 to one side for easy solving. Here's equation 1. P plus q equal to
1.
minus 7. Then this equation 1. Then we also have what? P minus q equal to what? Minus 5. That is equation 2. Simultaneous equation. Is that clear?
Yes.
Let's get p first. Eliminate q. Once you eliminate q, what do you have? To eliminate q, plus q plus minus q. Not and minus will give you minus. Will not become q minus q, which is 0. Is that clear? So equation 1 plus 2. What would that give us? P plus p, 2p. Then look at it. Q. I will say as a class, very stupid. Q plus minus q. That will give us 0. Because plus and minus is minus. Q minus q 0 equal to minus 7 plus minus 5. It will give you minus 7 minus 5. That will give us minus 12. So p will now be equal to minus 12 over 2. That is minus 6. Is that clear? So our p is minus 6. Which one is minus 6? Only this. Exam condition is not to finish solving. This is the answer. Is that clear? But for the sake of this class, we'll finish it. This one will be 1. Since this is the only one that starts with minus 6, which is p, because they say find p first. So this is the answer automatically. But for you to understand better, for you to believe, let's finish it. Put p equal to minus 6 in equation anyone. Equation 1. So p plus q is equal to minus 7. What is p? Minus 6 plus q equal to minus 7. Is that clear? This is q equal to minus 7 here. Take minus 6 to become plus 6. Q will be equal to what? Minus 1. You not see it now.